let's try and let's see if ma-justify ko ba ang aking mga purchases. Okay, concealer. We have concealer, tinted sunscreen. This one is from Hello Glow. This one. Nilagay ko dito para mas magamit ko siya properly and easily. Tapusin ko muna to, then I'll get back to you when gagamitan ko na ang makeup brushes. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, I'm done with my tinted sunscreen and my brow mascara in clear. Ugh! Ang dumi na, guys. Now, instead of using this one, gagamitin ko itong concealer brush from Happy Skin X Marge to blend my concealer. Justify natin ang purchase natin. Or hindi lang siguro ako sanay talaga, guys, na mag-spend ng mahal na mga items, mahal masyado. Okay lang yung 1,000 plus na bag or wallet or shoes. But with these brushes, parang hindi ko alam. So, soft naman siya. Very soft, very cute as well. Again, concealer brush. Cute. Yun lang ang aking masasabi. Very cute. Very cutesy. Hindi masakit, lalo na in the under eye kasi manipis ang ating skin right there. I hope malakas ang aking audio kasi it does the job. Very cute. Okay, blush from Focallure. My favorite blush in the past few days. Inaraw-araw ko to, guys. B03 Bordeaux. Ay, cute. I love this. Parang mas, ano siya sa akin. Parang mas madaling gamitin and maliit naman ang mukha ko. Pwede na to. Nice. Next is setting brush. Okay, this one we will use as setting brush. See, may glow pa yun kanina. Then with the powder, wala na siya. Guys, this is so nice pag retouch ng. Pero pag yung main application pa, parang makukulangan ka sa liit niya. But okay na rin for spot retouch. Yun nga yung nasa bag lang. Gusto mo mag-retouch. So I can say na dadalhin ko pa rin ang aking all-time used brushes. Kasi hindi ko carry. Tignan nyo nga. Oh, as you can see, ginamit ko pa rin siya. Hindi ko ma-justify ang purchase ko. Ginamit ko na yung all-around setting. This one, okay. Siguro kung nasa mga 600 plus lang to or 800 plus, okay na. Ito, it works. Itong this one, parang it's too little for me or pwede siguro siya. Try natin. Ito siguro. Pwede naman. Pwede. Pwede siya sa mata. Tapos yung isa, yun yung pang-setting spray. Ito yung para sa eyes. Pero hindi lang siya masyadong compact to be used for the eyes. Pero pwede na rin kung ayaw mo nang masyadong makapang-makeup at retouch lang naman. And we can also use the concealer to contour our nose since tapos na tayo ng concealer. Assuming. So let's just use this one pa rin. Pwede. Pwede. Justify your purchase, Gia Chan. Justify. Ay. Tapos, highlighter. Then, let's try to kamay na. Ganyan lang. Parang binasa ko lang siya. Ta-da! Nude lipstick from Ab City Beauty in the shade Spanish Latte. Ay, naku. But in fairness naman, with Happy Skin products, quality naman yung mga items nila. Happy Skin lang. Happy Skin cushion lang talaga. Pwede, guys. Pwede. Itan daw natin ng isang blush. Kunwari, isang blush. Ano ba? Yan. Hindi nga lang ganun ka-sanitary, no? Kasi, nadidikit-dikit. Let's just say, lalagay tayo ng isang tint. Close it. Pwede naman. Yun, that's it. Link ko sa Yellow Basket if you want. Or, link ko rin yung isa pang product na nakita ko. I'm not sure if ganun ba siya katibay for its price kasi mura lang. Pero i-link ko na lang din dyan as an alternative.